At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a pajama (PJ) business can be a fun and rewarding venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand your target market. Who are your potential customers? What styles of pajamas are they interested in? What price range are they willing to pay? 2. Business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your objectives, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. 3. Legal considerations. Decide on the legal structure of your business, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc., and register your business name. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses to operate legally in your area. 4. Supplier selection. Source high-quality materials and find reliable suppliers for your pajamas. Consider factors like fabric quality, comfort, and design options. 5. Design and production. Develop unique designs for your pajamas or collaborate with designers. Decide whether you'll manufacture the pajamas yourself or outsource production to a manufacturer. 6. Branding and packaging. Create a compelling brand identity that resonates with your target market. Design attractive packaging that reflects your brand and protects your product. 7. Website and online presence. Set up a professional website showcasing your pajama collection. Optimize it for e-commerce if you plan to sell online. Utilize social media platforms to promote your brand and engage with potential customers. 8. Sales channels. Decide on your sales channels, whether it's selling directly through your website, partnering with retailers, or attending markets and trade shows. 9. Marketing strategy. Develop a marketing strategy to generate awareness and drive sales. This could include online advertising, influencer partnerships, email marketing, and promotions. 10. Customer service. Focus on providing excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Address any inquiries or issues promptly and professionally. 11. Feedback and iteration. Collect feedback from customers and use it to improve your products and services continuously. Stay flexible and be willing to adapt based on market trends and customer preferences. 12. Scale up. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line, reaching out to new markets, or diversifying your offerings. Remember, starting a business requires dedication, hard work, and patience. Stay focused on your goals and be prepared to overcome challenges along the way. Good luck with your pajama business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.